Hey traders, welcome back to the recap of day 6 of the travel trading journey. And it was a good day, or good night, I guess, for me. To recap, I made about $362 or $367. I can't remember exactly what. I'm going to put the totals up. I took a screenshot of it. But yeah, I had one losing trade on IWM. Remember before, like the pre-market prediction was that I would probably have to close my one IWM contract for a loss, and that did indeed happen. I lost, I believe, $45 or $42, and so no big deal, because so far on the trip, I've had one losing trade the whole time, and that's IWM, which was last night. But I also did really well on both the SPY and the Qs. I closed a couple contracts on each one, and I still have at this point one contract open on SPY and one contract open on the Qs. So we're rolling that over until tonight. Now, one thing that I've been doing this whole trip, which is not something that I usually like to do, is I've been keeping one or more contracts open overnight. And, normally I would not do this, because normally I'm awake the entire day that the market's open. And so I set alerts, and I'll do the majority of my trading within the first half hour to hour of the day. And then if I keep one or more open throughout the day, I'll set an alert. So if the price either spikes or falls and goes above or below my alert levels or my stop out levels, then I will close that one or more remaining contract as the day is open. But because I'm not staying awake all night and I'm actually going to sleep, it's sort of, there's an added amount of risk in there, because I wake up the next day and find out, what happened on your one or more remaining contracts. And so turns out that my predictions have been correct every single time except one. So it's all been good. As of this point, absolutely trading above and beyond my daily expenditures. I believe yesterday I spent probably around $100 again. So made $367, spent $100, already paid for the round trip airfare. So everything's great. I'm not going to do a detailed breakdown because, as I've said a million times already on this series, I'm on vacation. So although I'm doing this series and trying to, work, at the same time, I'm not going to get super specific about it. The main point of these videos is to show you how you can trade when you travel and be successful at it, even when conditions are not optimal. And for me, conditions have been far from optimal. Because the internet speed here is not great either. It's better than where it was in the first two places I was staying at, but it's still not great. So, all things considered, it's been pretty fantastic, the results that I've had, even with, having really shitty internet speed everywhere, and having one screen, and having these wonky trading hours for myself. I've still made it work, which is great. But I'll check in again later on tonight and see how it goes for this evening's trading session. It's Friday, so the last day of the week here in trading. But I'll check in a little while, and we'll catch up then. All right, see you soon.